When it comes to the electrical design for a commercial building in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the go-to company. With their expertise and experience in electrical design, they are well equipped to handle any project, big or small. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the intricacies of electrical systems and ensures that the design is efficient, safe, and meets all the necessary codes and regulations. The electrical design process for a commercial building involves various steps, starting from understanding the client's requirements and analyzing the building layout. Scon Design India Private Ltd conducts a thorough assessment of the building's electrical needs, taking into account factors such as the number of floors, the type of businesses operating within the building, and the power requirements of different equipment and appliances. Once the requirements are identified, Scon Design India Private Ltd proceeds with the design phase. They create detailed electrical plans and layouts that include the placement of electrical outlets, switches, lighting fixtures, and other devices. The design also includes the specification of electrical panels, transformers, and distribution boards to ensure a reliable power supply throughout the building. In addition to designing the electrical system, Scon Design India Private Ltd also focuses on energy efficiency. They incorporate energy-saving measures such as LED lighting, motion sensors, and power management systems to reduce electricity consumption and lower operating costs for the building owners. In conclusion, when it comes to electrical design for commercial buildings in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a trusted choice. Their expertise in electrical design, focus on energy efficiency, commitment to safety, and integration of smart solutions make them a reliable partner for any commercial building project. When it comes to designing the plumbing system for a commercial building in Marathahalli, Bangalore, it is essential to hire a professional and experienced company like Scon Design India Private Limited. Plumbing design plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of the building's water supply and drainage systems. With Scon Design's expertise in plumbing design, they can provide efficient and effective solutions tailored to the specific needs of the commercial building. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of skilled engineers and designers who specialize in plumbing design for commercial buildings. They understand the complexities involved in designing plumbing systems for large-scale structures and have the knowledge and experience to overcome any challenges that may arise. By working closely with architects and contractors, Scon Design ensures that the plumbing design seamlessly integrates with the overall building design. One of the key aspects of plumbing design for commercial buildings is ensuring an adequate